In Stacking Up Today, Trader Todd, Bubba Horwitz is here to talk about the stock of the day for him, and happy to have you on the show. He won't tell me what it is, so it's the big reveal.
It's the big reveal. Good morning.
Good morning.
You know, yesterday we had one of the main players in the athletic wear come out with their earnings, and that was by the name of Under Armour. And supposedly they had beat earnings, and they'd already beat the stock down 20% before the earnings. Earnings came out, the stock popped a little bit in the pre-market, and then all of a sudden it was down 25%, trading down in the 31 level. I believe that this is an outstanding opportunity. No matter how you want to play this one, I think this is a great company. I think it's got a heck of a chance to make a very big move here. This is one I would be now buying and putting away for the long term, because there's so many possibilities, and they're doing such a great job with their marketing end that I think at this level you want to be an owner of Under Armour. And I think that you can play it through an options play, you can play it through the straight up in the stock, whatever you prefer. You can start in. The easiest way to start in would be with like a 1-by-2 ratio spread, a call spread, to take up some of the risk in case it doesn't go up and it goes down. You can get out relatively even, but I think it's a great opportunity down here.
On that call spread, what would be your strikes that you'd be buying?
Right now I would use like 33, 34, because as the stock had rallied up. So I would sell the 33s and buy the 34s, and if we close below 33 and I get credit out of it, which I will try to do, I get to keep the credit. If it goes back up to the 40s, then I get to make dollar for dollar after we get past 34 or 35. So it's a real solid play, especially if we get some volatility back in here, and the stock should bring some volatility based on where it's trading right now. What
matters most to you in this trade? The technical issues or the fundamental issues, or both?
It's really both, but I only buy or sell based on when I see a technical level or an area where I believe that it's overdone. I believe there was a straight out panic yesterday when they puked the stock down, and to me that's a sign to step in and buy it. But I would never buy just on a fundamental reason, because fundamentals typically take a lot longer to play out. I would hold the stock because of fundamentals, and I'd look for a good fundamental stock if I was going to get in for the long term, but I would never buy or sell until the technicals told me to do so.
Thank you for that Trader Talk.
Thank you.
That just about does it for us today, but we are on social media. It's Business First AM on Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. Coming up on our next show, movies and money. Thank you so much for watching today from all of us here at Business First AM. Have a wonderful day.